Itong pump last Friday, yung candle po na yan. So, very, very important yung candle reading dito. Especially sa scalping sa 5-minute time frame. So, ito pong pump na to ng candle, parang needle siya, no? Needle top yung tingin ko. Ano yung confirmation? If today, we're going to see a long red candle, similar to this, kasing haba nito, pero red, most likely, babalik tayo dito sa range na to ng gold. 1980 to 1940. Most likely ito, yung range na yan, babalikan natin. And dito tayo magdi-dribble-dribble. Imagine niyo kung kaya mong i-trade yung range na yan sa 5-minute chart na hindi ka naliliquidate because you have a GTF vaccine, maipit ka, ang bilis mong makalaya. Mga titos and titas. Ito pa, sa 5-minute, kanina, so we're doing a support resistance. This is just a basic, very basic support and resistance. Support, resistance, resistance. Itong area po na to na resistance, pwedeng flip ito SR flip. Pwedeng resistance will be turned into support if broken. So right now, based sa price action natin, nauntog tayo doon, naging resistance pa yan, and it coincides sa daily pivot natin, alright? Sa daily pivot, sa yellow line, that's the 200. Pero meron tayong uptrend. Meron tayong uptrend. Ito po uptrend. Usually, si gold, napapansin ko, respected madalas yung Fibo na 618. Alright? Nasaan yung 618 natin? Itong golden zone, ito po. Itong golden zone na to. So, 1977, 1979 to 1980. 77 to 80. So, nasa 80 na tayo, no? So, you have to watch, if you want to trade gold, you have to watch itong level na to. Yung possible bounce sa level po na to. Sa 5-minute chart. Diba? Ang bilis lang. Follow for more Tito Moves!